Mrs. Milagrosa E.S. Mores. I am teaching Igtalong National High School institution from 2002 until this year.
Hindi ko makita. Okay, pencil. Love. Chair.
I've been a mother and at the same time, a teacher to my students. Drive to succeed as a woman is teaching stems from a mix of personal purposes. Every time I am with them, I am very much comfortable as a teacher to my students in Igtalong National High School. Being a teacher in English 8, I have to impart my knowledge in education so that they may be able to use them in their future.